Pasig will be serving. They are ahead 6-4. Myla Pablo was the best player when National won against PNP, which has not won a single set so far in the tournament. Double block on Soltones. Nicely done, but kept in play by Roses. Soltones rewinds and slams it into the net.
That's right, she still went for that, but medyo court sense, no? Wala na dun.
Yeah, si Rose Goreyev is talking about where to aim it. Bakit mo pinapunta diretso sa baba? Ipatas daan sa ibabaw. Sa kabila pumunta. And Roses just drilled that in. It is 7-5.
Boy, Suzanne Roses is really, you know, alam natin, veteran na yan, but now she's keeping her fitness level at at different levels. So she's been playing very well for PLDT.
Feeling ko nag-play into shape siya in the last couple of games. And in the meantime, labas yan. At 8-5. Una ang PLDT home telpass at kali. Emily was asking for a check ball. Would be nice to...
Kanina, they have 2 more games left before the quarterfinals. That's why it's important for them to perform well. Dahil importante daw sa kanila ang team standing sila pagdating nila ng quarterfinals. To be able to do that, they have to stop the top 2 spikers dito sa ating liga na sina Jaja Santiago and Myla Pablo. And speaking of Jaja Santiago, she's not 100% okay coming to today's ball game dahil may on and off flu siya because of our weather. Sabi nga ni Coach Cherrelle, he doesn't want to risk the health of Jaja, pero ito daw mismo ang nagpumilit para siya ay makapaglaro, considering that she's the go-to person para sa kanyang mga teammates. Coach Cherrelle just expects the girls to step on the gas for today's game. Seb?
Between playing and lying down, I play.
Of course.
Really. But pag-uwi, bahala na. No? But I'm sure Jaja would rather be here than sprawled on her bed, although I would like sprawling on the bed sometimes better than...
but not on game days.
No. I'd rather be here. 8-7 po tayo.
Yeah, we were talking about Ivy Perez in the pre-game. She's showing talaga that even blocking meron na siya.
Yes, indeed. And half of that time, last time, the sermon was assigned or went to her. Well, in most cases it is going to the center. Nicely picked up on a free ball.
Don't you just love it?
Hinanapan ng butas. Magkagulo kayo dyan.
Talagang simpleng-simple.
Nagkagulo lahat. Parang mga Ruby de Leon mo say, ganito lang yan.
Ganito mag-score.
Ganito yan. Ba't pinatatagal pa yung... oh, nicely done. I like the development of Myla Pablo. She's just a killer at large.
Yeah, and you know if she can battle the consistency thing.
Oh, yes, indeed. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Feeling. Trick with that. Bigyan mo ng bola. Palo! Fire! And now, here comes Latige from the back row. Hello. Parang in slow-mo si Jaja dun, Real time yun, pero tingnan nyo, Parang halos so gently. Watch this.
Oh, yeah, but obviously, ang defense naman ng PLDT, mas slow pa.
Sobra.
Mas mabagal.
Yeah, and they were that slow in real time, actually.
Nagulat nga si Sue Roses, parang, where is everybody else?
Where is everybody else? Fontana zips it over to the other side, kept in play by Perez. Here comes Singh. Oh, and Fontana out of position there.
Boy, the defense now, PLDT, really... Ikaw kasi, you're talking about sleeping, Nahawa tuloy.
Nahawa tuloy.
Sleeping na rin sila.
Eto na, nakatulog sila. Medyo wasted opportunities. They make a change at the libero position, but first, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolong Gamitin, proudly Philippine made. The other libero is now being used by PLDT home tel pad. It is Eroa.
Yeah, Eroa. But this one is so funny, yung reaction ni General.
Gusto ko sa'yo yung sinabi mo about 2 weeks ago, yung Matrix. Ano ba yung na-Matrix?
Ito na rin maalala.
Pero na-Matrix, humigyan talaga.
Diba yung slow-mo na backbreaker?
Mr. Anderson.
Yeah.
Lapiga.
Yes. Oh, that was a great get by Eroa, making her presence felt.
Ang tawag ko kay Lapiga si Project Runway.
Pwede.
Because when she just walks and strides like that, she's all business. Pag pumalo talaga, seryoso talaga.
Eh, no, mo. Game face.
Project Runway. 11-10. Home tel pad. PLDT home tel pad. Slightly up. Jaja flies. Hello!
One more time, natatawa na lang yung teammate ni Ruby De Leon.
Hello! Gotcha! Watch this.
Great receive by Roses, but... Sige.
Dami siya may effective salamin doon sa leg. Kita yung sa kabilang side.
Sadya niya yan.
I'm sure it must be painful. I am teasing Ruby. Oh, bumagal man. Slower version naman ni Ivy. Roses, ganda ng paluan actually.
Oo, maganda yung quality ng mga rallies natin.
Oh, tumama sa net. Tumama sa net. Yes. The bane of the spiker. When it hits the net. 13-10, Hometel Pad. PLDT is ahead. Mikasa is our official ball here in the Shakey's Lead. PLDT Hometel Pad. As Rina Villamor reported earlier, trying to bounce back from a 3-set shutout last time around against the ferocious Army squad.
Yeah, that's right. You know, but they have to regroup lang naman.
Oh, Soriano zips it down. Kasi Coach Roger, tayo ba yung sabi niya nung ginawa natin best player si Charo? Ito, best player? Bakit?
Dito ano eh. Samantalang ano naman natin yan lang eh. Pumesto ka lang dyan, kung ako sana yung ulog ni Ruby. Okay, kung tandaan nyo lang kung saan kayo pupwesto. Kung yun nawawala kayo, kaya naman kami nag-ano kasi nawawala kayo ng pwesto. Babawi tayo. Jump shot lang. Ganyan nyo lang yung braso nyo. Ganyan nyo isipin yan.
Sige ako.
Lasa mo na yung kaya.
Coach De La Cruz, I love his timeouts. It's not as outrageous as the OG Mamon timeouts, but I like the simplicity of his timeouts.
Yes. Very soft-spoken. No? Talagang very particular lang yung mga directions.
He's like a big brother that says, oh, anong oras ka umuwi? Gantong oras ka umuwi? Bakit? Paano? Kumain ka na ba? Ganun ang dating. And then everybody was just so well-behaved in that time. I mean, sinasabi niyang punto, but wala kayo sa pwesto. You start out with some kind of choreography, I suppose.
Yeah, I mean, there are times that you're just a step late, di ba? Yung mga kalaw, sigaw yung mga players, kalaw, or nakatayo ka lang. You know, there are times lang that you lapse into that, wala yung mental focus. Pero alam mo yun, may choreography nga yun
Like in this case, it ended up as Perez sprawled on the floor and Latigay spotted the opening. Binutasan niyang lalo, 15-11. Amante na ng 4 ang kupunan ng PLDT Hometel Pad. Ruby De Leon, the ace setter with the serve. Lalim ng pagpinagkunan ni General. Pinaluan ni Sharo.
Oh,
lakas. Walang ka-spin. Plakda.
Oh, the offensive woes of
It's all happening on Thursday. Of course, you'll see all those games here on GMA News TV every afternoon. NU is not playing badly. They're just being outsmarted here, actually.
That's true. And, no, remember we talked about maximizing Santiago. Santiago is yet to get a legitimate kill in today's game.
I agree. Parang hindi malinaw. Parang siya pa ang nakikreate of regalos and off the second ball. Not really cleanly set up so far.
Yes.
And it's been a 6-point struggle in the deficit facing NU right now as De Leon snaps it over. Ayun, nabigyan din.
Oh, pero PLDT defense again working for them.
Yun ang masarap naman sa experience natin team. Yung defense, you don't have to really just work on it. You just have to remind people. Ang lakas ng palo.
Oh, but it's a check ball.
Check ball ang tawag. Yun, when we say check ball, hawakan ho yan bago lumabas. And we have Jaja Santiago all set to serve. Well, I know Dada. Oh, that's into the net. I know Dada is the older person. They must have been so happy when Jaja was born. One is Dada and the other, let's call you Jaja. How can we go wrong?
Yeah.
For Front Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Well, you know, some interesting numbers here. For PLDT, they have 8 unforced errors. And, you're saying that they're not playing really bad. They just won. They have won.
Okay.
Go figure.
Go figure.
No, they're not committing errors. It's just PLDT, although they're committing more errors, obviously, their offense is flowing more. I mean, they're getting more kills. So the blocking now of NU, they have to work double time.
Marites Pablo is in the game. Rina, find out nga kung magkapatid sila ni Milo. I suspect they are.
Yeah, I think they are.
They are. Let's. If you say so, then that's good enough for me. But knowing Rina, she will confirm and tell us something about them growing up.
Yeah.
What I wanted to say was, they couldn't get dividends from Mandapat. They made a change in that position, ano?
Oh.
Mandapat na nilabas nila. Roses is Jan by tignan si Pahid sa mukha si Di Manadera doon.
Yeah, she knew that didn't go over. But before that, Singh with a powerful spike, you know. This Singh is watcher. Bago pa lang yan, but few more months, few more conferences.
Konti pang laro yan.
Oh.
Uy, alanganin. I think this is going to be net touch or a lift. It's a net touch. Hindi maganda yung nag-hesitate si Benadera.
Oh, no, Batong was actually caught touching the net. Sayang, yun yung sinasabi natin yung mga the maturities and immaturities of a player. Siyempre, gigil siya
Yes.
Na it was an easy ball, but because they touched the net, an error tuloy.
Eroa also got a serving of Roger Gorayev's sermon because of the hand position. It's 1-1-14. Let's sneak into the Bulldogs kennel ba tawag ko?
Isipan niya ginagawa niya sa loob. Hindi niya naman mabablock na solid. Kaso mo lang sa may. Malayo pa yan, 21-14. Habol tayo, paano na pa isa lang. Hindi natin kayang habulin niya ng biglahan. Okay na yan, pagpapit na side out.
Interesting how the coaches are mapping out strategies on both sides of the floor. Here's that serve by Latiga. Ooh, national disaster. Singh drops to the deck.
So again, NU, we talked about their reception having to work for them, and so far they're having problems.
Yes,
here in the
indeed.
first set.
Clearly so. Sam Sarmiento, Noringo, Rina Villamor, your broadcast trio here, and that is too easy. Too easy naman for PLDT home Delpad. They did nothing spectacular there. Kaso, and you just gave up on the play there.
And regalo but the thing is, another way to look at it, Sir, kung regalo, the blockers kailangan sundan niya. You can't block naman.
Kahit regalo na siya, di ba? Kahit regalo na siya. Pablo, kulang din ng bola. So, Tones! Boy, nakawala, no?
Oh. After that slight slumber by PLDT, they're now awake.
And firing at all pistons.
Yes.
So, Tones, don't let her get started because you'll pay dearly. Gotta put a blocker on her. Here's Latigay and her serve. It falls very short but kept in play. Badang. Process makes it a set for Sultanes. Oh boy. Myla ended up guessing. Am I going to put my hands down? Up? Do I move back? Lion couldn't read it cleanly. Bilisan. Set point tuloy.
But again, talaga yung defense ng NU. After the set, they have to go back to the drawing board and talk about it.
Yeah.
But diba, in one of the huddles, we were listening to Coach Dong De La Cruz. Showing them, diba, dito ka. Giving their specific positions. But they have to listen.
And do it.
Yes.
That's Pablo, and that is out of reach.
A shank there by Eroya, kinakausap ni Ate Luan.
Going to be that young. Yeah, she's one of the finds that Roger Goriev will use in the upcoming NCAA para sa Zanzibar.
Probably.
Sultanes Singh with a hand on it, but free ball, ang layo na pala. And that'll do it for the first set. 25-16 is the final count. PLDT home Delpad flexing just enough muscle to take this first set, actually.
Yeah, but you said it, nothing spectacular, and you just gotta step up if they, in the second set.
Meanwhile, everything has been quite out of reach for NU. Back in a moment with the second set.
There's the one that we have to mention. NU's gotta really eliminate it if they can.
Almost play an A game, almost perfect volleyball actually. Here's some bit of action from that previous set. Nicely done. Oh, cross-cut. Ito yung Myla Pablo didn't know what to do. Whether to pray, to request for help. That's the other play. That was the winning point of that first set. So, NU, the onus is on them. They have to do so many things to get back into this ballgame, Marie.
Yeah, but they have to focus right now on their defense, reception, service reception, number 1. Diba we said that earlier?
You were saying?
On cue. Error on cue. They have to focus on their service reception so that Ivy Perez can get the ball and set it to like Jaja Santiago, because Jaja, I don't think she's got any kill yet in this match.
And nothing is working for NU off the first 2 serves. It's being served, and PLDT home Telpa doesn't have to do anything actually.
Yep.
2-0 po. Umpisa po ng second set na matapos ang ating first set. 25-16 para sa PLDT home Telpa. Kinargahan ni Sing malakas. Check ball. At ito'y unang punto. Yeah. Hindi alam ng player sa floor. Hindi alam ng player sa floor. Panoorin. Panoorin.
Titignan ko reaction ni Coach Roger.
Hindi na tumayo eh.
Oo. Ay, malayo.
Malayo ang alin.
It's not check. Hindi. Wala. May discussion tayo dito. Wala.
Wala. We have the benefit of slow-mo, but the officials will not look. Wala pa tayong challenge sa volleyball eh. And I don't think, if that ever happens, it will slow down the game. Sa akin, the challenge should only happen, if ever in the future, 5th set lang.
No, we had that. Remember? One conference, we had a challenge.
We tried it.
But all the challenges were check ball. So, pag slow mo, ang tagal, di ba? May lull na, may delay. Inconclusive.
Kaya nga.
That's what happened. That's why they scrapped the whole idea.
Well. Kaya nga, in case lang, when the technology allows it, in the future, ako 5th set lang. Kasi babagal yung game eh.
That's true. Kaya nga ginawang rally point para bumili.
Sa tennis, may allowed eh. Alam ko sa Wimbledon, parang dalawa lang. 3 ba?
3 challenges.
Ang social, ano pag sinasabi? Challenge.
Yeah,
social. Pero pag French Open, mas social. Ewan.
Alam ko lang sa French, igalite. Meaning, deuce.
Diba? Sebuple. Diba pinatatahimikin pa?
Yes.
Sebuple.
Sebuple.
Luan Latiga has been solid today. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Catola Comedian proudly Philippine made.
Better reception.
In the meantime, it is it in? It's long.
It's
5-2.
That's a wasted opportunity because they, play sila okay na eh. You just have to get the spikes in. Again, an unforced error for NU.
Patigay serves volleyball like she's serving tennis. That's inside. Yung dukot niya, parang yung raketa din na dukot niya. She doesn't wind up ng malayo. She winds up close to her body. It's almost like a tennis.
Yung back niya. She uses her back muscles.
When you're young, you can use everything.
Yes.
Patigay. De Leon. Process is caught to the other end of the universe, and it is nicely done. Blocked by NU.
Yeah, we all know. See, that's a great example. We all know what NU can do. No? They just have to keep, hindi pwedeng 1 play, 2 plays. Dapat the entire focus sila eh.
Has to be all set,
diba?
or in fact all game long. It's 4-5 here. Set up job by De Leon. Goes now Sultones, and they probably heard you, Noreen.
Yep.
They do it back to back, and Dapat and Dadang shutting down the offense. Watch this.
That's right. You can see good anticipation. Sabi nga ni Mandapat and Dadang, we did this already. Let's do it again.
Rewind lang to. Replay lang to. Tabla po tayo sa 5. Nagatanaw sa atong sumong. Huwag lipatan. Huwag kalimutan. If it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. It's long.
Another error for NU. That's not the way, diba? You want to win this set, you gotta, especially service. Yun yung basic.
Merong may mga player and nobody will probably admit it. Puporsyentohin nila para pumasok lang yung serve. No? Wala nang aiming, basta mailaro lang.
Oo.
Alangan ni si De Benadera. Not cleanly done. Pablo winds up. De Leon says, let's recycle. Let's go to Luan.
Better reception for NU.
Ah! Buhay pa. Dadang with the regalo. The Tigay was there.
Oh,
Sing. Short on the position, actually.
yep, it wasn't the strongest of spikes, but just enough angle for Sue Roses.
Walang napuntahan si Sing.
Oh,
In the meantime, Roses will serve. They're ahead 7-5. Pablo connects.
well, she's been playing well for NU, but it can't be just Myla Pablo.
They need another source of points. You know?
Yes. We gotta get also Jaja Santiago involved, really.
Absolutely. Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's League. Soltones with some mustard on that one.
Nagulat si Jaja.
High school naman ay nagkaroon siya ng Best Server Award in a collegiate league, and at present she's now a freshman student taking up marketing management. At ang sabi niya nga sa akin, ang laging reminder daw sa kanya ng kanyang ate ay yung tapang ng loob niya sa court. In addition to that, with the NU Lady Bulldogs, Coach Ariel reiterated to them na kailangan nila to be at the right places at the right time, at kailangan din nila yung efforts on both sides. Efforts para sa NU Lady Bulldogs na pahirapan ang kabilang kupunan, at effort naman para sa PLDT Turbo Boosters sa para basahin ang kanilang depensa. Seth?
When you have Rina Villamor as your court side, you get the full Monty.
Yeah.
The whole gamut. The whole update. Kulang na lang kung anong kakainin ng pamilya Pablo mamayang gabi.
Ano yung favorite nila?
Di ba? Ano kaya ang paborito nila sa almusal? But that's a fascinating story. Thank you, Rina. In the meantime, Latigay Sing with a one-hander.
Good save.
Pagla tayo sa 8, Pablo says, tatabig yan. De Leon, Soltones.
Oh, perfect drop.
Linis. Dati papaluin niya yun.
And that's it. Ang hirap kaya mag-drop na ganyan kay Jaja.
Si Eskinita din nga, oh. Hello, makikiraan po.
You can feel for both Ivy and
Yeah.
Ivy Perez and
Yeah,
Santander. Parang, we were there, nalunod.
That's exactly what happened. So, minsan, Santiago gets high. Hindi lang napalo ng Jaja.
Oh, too near the net.
Well done. Jaja, single coverage.
Wow, now NU's playing a different volleyball game compared to the first set.
What's this? Huli ka. Huli ka sa kapupunta. Myla Pablo, second of 9 children, as Rina reported. Lalayan adjusts in the air. Latigay hit the antenna. Was in that zone. Couldn't get it over. 10-9 NU.
You can see, Jaja Santiago slowly learning na yung wag manggigil sa net. That time tumalon si Ruby, she didn't reach for it na eh. Normally gagawin niya eh.
She would fall into the temptation of Soriano. Cleanly knocks down the ball and Perez as well.
You can see the difference in the game of PLDT and National U. Ang PLDT, pag nabablock sila, talaga they make it a point to vary. May drop, may long ball. Yung talaga using their coconut.
In the meantime, it's a series and a spate of errors happening on the NU side of the floor. They've lost a slight lead. It's now 11-10 here in the second. Just joined us first set, going the way of PLDT on Telpad, 25-16. Nice set, Sing.
Good cover.
And Dapat loving that pickup there. Sing up speed and down.
Smart play by Singh. Just at the center. A dagger in the defense of PLDT.
She did not connect it quite cleanly, but it will. Oh, she got it on the wrist almost.
Oh, flat-footed.
Tabla po tayo sa 11. Perez. Regalo. Ginawan lang ng paraan ni Ruby Delen na parang hindi maging regalo sa kabila. Sabi ni Jaja, sorry, akin yan. Mukhang regalo nga, hindi pinalo. Watch this again. Pero malayo si Jaja naman.
Late.
May kasa ang official ball ng Shakey's League.
Service error by Chara Soriano. 12 all.
po tayo sa 12. In the meantime, it is out of reach.
Boy, and you would have wanted a libero in that play.
You know, I won't lie to you. This is a rainy Tuesday afternoon. This is, I'm just happy we had a few fans who have decided to be brave enough and brave the weather. Lakas ang buhos ng ulan kanina last night. So we hope you're warm and snug wherever you are watching this, either on the screen or on GMA News TV, our home channel, of course. In the meantime, it's 14-12. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lion, tiger, kapawalang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Short. Kulang sa toss. Height.
Oh, for 2 service errors back-to-back for PLDT. They're giving 3 points to NU.
Nung hinagis na pinalo niya sa pagbaba ng bola, hindi sa apex ng lipad.
Kita na natin,
Dinukutan sa taas. Devan Navera getting that to stay down. 15-13, PLDT home Delpad.
Boy, that's frustrating for NU. Yung mga points ng PLDT, hindi naman solid hits, but they just can't seem to keep the ball in play.
You know, I'm looking for the right, politically right term. In basketball kasi, pagka may basketball, pwede mo sabihin, hinamama na nung iba. In this case, ng PLDT home Delpad ang NU. I'm still looking for that term.
Hinamana.
Something, di ba? Sa boxing kasi nilalakad na eh. Di ba? Yung minamama, yung the older, the senior team is teaching the other one there. I'm looking for the right term. Kasi pag sinabi ko yung naiisip ko, hindi maganda pakinggan eh. Inaali. Pwede, Barry Pascal. Pagbibigyan kita ron. Pwede. Baka kasi sabihin mo, tama ba naman yun? May problema. No, meron tayong regular Shakey's outlet dito habang may game show tayo. And she's our Shakey's face of the game for this scheduled first game. 16-14 count. Outside, the down the line attempt by Sultanes is missed. 15-16, go ahead.
Yep, some numbers here in terms of digging. Oh, General actually outplaying Lindsay Angata Pantone, 50% to none.
Hindi nakakuha ng bola si Pantone.
Oo nga eh. But you heard it in the, we heard it in the huddle. Sinabi talaga ni Coach Dong de la Cruz, huwag mo ibibigay talaga si libero kasi magaling ang libero nila.
To those of you who may not know, tama yung buti in-spell out yung buong pangalan niya. Si Gata yan ng Adamson di ba? So, I think she's now carrying a married name, ano?
Pantone.
Kumapang sa net. Buhay pa yan. Regalo. Tinalo ni Latigay pero hindi na eksakto. Ito, medyo eksakto pero napulot pa rin. Sa likod, pinadala ni Roses. Tinaas. Papaluin ni Pablo. Hindi natusok.
But Pablo has been holding on to her finger. I don't know kung may injury siya ng konti. But again, they haven't been going to Jaja.
Bakit ano ito? Sa balasan ng bola o hindi nabibigay yung play? Could have been a double touch.
I guess Ivy Perez is just really out of position to force it to Jaja Santiago.
I agree. That's a better observation. In the meantime, Pablo got a dividend out of that one. And her team is within 2. 16-18. They lost the first set though. 16-25. Here's Pablo. Boy, with Mina Aganon already gone, and so with that is Santiago. But it's her team, it's her team in Judges actually.
Yeah. Oh, this is the post Dindin Santiago era.
May isa pang player na kung hindi nababanggit sa NU. Isa pa. Si Urdas.
Si Aiko.
Si Urdas. Ang balita kay Barry Pascual, injured yung
ACL.
Yeah. Kasi kaya bigyan na-miss ko. Kasi yung UAA lineup nila di ba?
Yes.
Ang ganda ng rotation nun, ano? Kasi Urda, Santiago, Pablo.
Kompleto sila.
They came very close actually. Benting, out of reach, malamig. Ganda naman ng serve na yan kasi alam niya. Do people, sa basketball kasi, no, sometimes we watch some sport with the basketball mind. Kung minsan, pag pinasok yung bagong player, dun uupakan ng opensa, yung malamig na play.
Oo.
Does that happen in volleyball?
Sometimes.
Yung kasasab lang, dun mo padala?
Sometimes, during our time, my time, yun yung ita-target mo, especially sa service mo. But now, you don't really see it. I mean, you don't see people intentionally do it.
Okay. But it so happened that Benting was called off the bench, and Benting is drawn out, so Tones is back in. I mean, let's go back to Singh, no? This is a good point. When she gets the groove of the game, malakas papalo itong batang ko.
Oo. Kaya nga parang she won that spot in the first 6 of Coach De La Cruz.
Para siya si Gretchen Soltones. Pag natuto po, and with conditioning and lose a little weight, I will say it out loud, she will fly, I tell you. But she can jump, huh? She can jump.
So, maganda ugali niya.
Yep, and she plays defense, actually. 20-19. But it's because Gretchen was also on the heavy side when she started out.
Oo, that's true. She lost a lot of weight.
At saka siguro bumubuhat na no?
Oo. You need it na now eh.
Hindi na pwede, hindi.
Oh, great block.
Solid. Kaya sure, si Suzanne Roses nagbuhat din ito no? Di mo naman. Astig, 21-19. Makinig tayo.
Di ba nung bumagsak tayo doon sa gitna? Huwag ka lang bagsakan dito kasi dito. Sino tama ka sa harap?
Watch that last sequence. Nicely done. Clean block.
Oh, you did see, no, si Sasa de Vanadera. Talagang trinabaho niya yung block eh.
Ang minarkahan niya, tinignan niya muna si Jaga bago siya lumipad.
Yes.
Sa'yo, bola ha. Samantala, here goes Charo, Soriano.
No, I'd like to mention that again kasi that's how you maintain your block is you stick with it. Some people, dahil powerful, parang bumibigay yung kamay nila.
Okay.
So pumapasok. Ginawa ni De Vanadera, though it's as powerful, talaga she stuck with it.
Yes. She was steadfast with it. The Singh, ang courts, and ends the fight. Ganun nalakas yung palo mo eh.
Oo. Boy, I'd like to see her like a year from now. More games, more experience.
Ano siya? Open ba siya?
Yep.
Open ang ano niya, no? So, she should be something to look forward to in the years to come. Gretchen Soltones keeps that in play. Process goes off speed. This is alanganin. Nagawa ng paraan. Alanganin! At sabi ni De Vanadera ay sama-sama na po sa inyo. Pusin na natin ito. Shakies, for Bad Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakies.
Oh, you know, you can see talaga yung mga veterano, mga veterano, pag regalo, talagang
Dik-dik eh.
oh, dik-dik.
Kasi tama naman yung sponsor ni Mama. It rarely happens. It will happen in a game for float yung bola, but it's an opportunity you pounce on it.
Yes.
It doesn't always come. Sabi niya sa'yo, nung naglaro ako about a month ago, kita ko yung regalo, hindi lang makalipad. Bakit hindi lumipad? Tagal na hindi naglaro. Samantala, reverse. Huli! Pwede!
Good save.
General. Winalis. Pablo.
Right, and his defense working, huh?
Yeah, this is the Locos rally, but it suddenly lost position there.
No, but you know, you gotta give it to Soltones. That was a great hit. Talagang ang layo, close na to the corner pocket yan eh.
Inasinta talaga eh.
Yun yung mahirap kunin, di ba?
Oo. Yung inasinta niya.
Inali.
You get the hang of it. In the meantime, Mandapa tries to keep that in play. It is 24-21. Coach De La Cruz will try to ice the server before it becomes possibly a 2-set lead for PLDT home Celta.
Magkakabol yung blocker dito, doon naka-establish na yung blocker na dalawa. Okay? Kung siya mo na-receive. Kaya pa yan ha, tatlo lang yan. Okay. Pag dito mo na-receive ang bola banda dito, bigay mo kay ano, sa kanya. Pag dito mo na-receive, bato kay Myla. Pero dito may pa-receive. Dito yung pa-receive ha. Bato mo kay Myla. Myla, gawin para.
Okay, the PLDT home self-pad Lady Roosters threatening to take a 2-0 lead in the count of sets. They took the first one 25-16. Better second set if you look at it from any angle for anyone, but not enough juice, I suppose. But they get one in before this might be over. 24-22. Let's see if they have one more kick here.
Well, it's still possible, just down by 2. They can first get their service in and play good defense.
Risa Jane Mandapat. Huli! Sarap nun.
Oh, solid block from Pablo.
Kasi yung tunog, yung point, yung connection, that's the thrill of this game. Sabog!
Oh, that's how you block. Don't you love slow-mo? Sisi talaga yung bit ng kamay, eh, no?
Butata! Uling-uling. Dapat. Kainis ko nadali doon.
Oh! Nadali nga.
Nadali nga. And nagkaumpugan on the way to the party. And nice try. But it's 25-23 at the end of 2 sets. It's a 2-set to 0 lead. And you're playing better, but needs a little more. Get things going. Back in a moment after this shake and play.
PLDT using, of course, experience. And you still got to maintain that focus that we said, that whole set kailangan, parang game sila eh.
I thought they had a nice finishing kick, although just fell short at the final push.
Yes.
Final siguro kung track yan, final 50 meters nung nadali sila na. Kala ko matatapos nung hinulugan sila ni Ruby De Leon eh, pero hindi naman ang ganun nangyayari. So, nasa sa inyo ngayon yan. They're down 2 sets to 0.
Well, you know what NU's got to do again is maintain the focus. They showed us, they proved to themselves that they're in the second set. Kaya nila lumaban, they can keep at in pace with PLDT. The question is, can they do it the entire set? Because that's what you need to play against a team like PLDT.
Which has so many weapons if you think about it. Latiga gets on track early on with the first attack. And Ruby De Leon, the ace setter, will be doing the honors. Reverse. Same. Nilaman yung palo talaga ng Singh. Hello, what's happening? Roger Guerrero. Latiga tried to dink it over. De Leon gumawa ng paraan. And Sue Rosses says, let's go home.
Slam dunk.
Let's go home.
You just gotta love watching Sue Rosses keeping the balls in play, no? Minsan sobrang awkward, kaya pa rin yan.
Shaky's with Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shaky. You notice that Roger Guerrero sometimes is a little harder on those that he yung mga discoveries niya. Diba, naman si Gretchen Sultanes, diba? Lagi may paalalang tatay eh.
Well, that's his way and you see it works,
yep.
diba? I mean, that's his system. It works kasi namomold lagi yung mga players niya eh.
And you think Charo Soriano has been with him as an assistant na, doesn't get to hear anything. And Charo just tries to smile it all off.
Yeah. Well, some leading scorers
okay,
here.
Great.
Yeah, for NU, it's Santiago as quietly with 4 points. Singh with 5. See, we're talking about Singh, and then for PLDT, Sultanes with 6 and Rosses with 3.
Rosses, when you begin to forget that Suzanne Rosses is there, she makes you reminds you of her. I'm here. Nandito po ako.
Nandito pa rin ako.
Oo.
Don't forget me.
4-1 ang ating bilang dito po sa third set. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-Leagues. Charo Soriano with the serve in play. Mandapat spike being played around with Lapigay misses it completely. Sinuit. Rare Wapoy's moment for Lapigay.
You gotta love the reaction of her teammates kasi alam mong hindi naman sila nag-react sa error eh. Nag-react nga sila sa Wapoys na yun eh. Diba?
Nakakatuwa yung pangalan ni Luan. Lawrence Ang. Suspecha ko, parent combination name.
Yeah.
In the meantime, tinusukan na naman sila ni Roses. 5-2 count. Watch this.
You know, Suzanne Roses always just scores at the right time, no? I mean, before kasi we would hear people na, di ba, she was like at the prime of her career. Everyone's import, MVP. And then, parang bumaba. May nagsabi, she's lost na. Look where she is now.
She played herself back into contention.
Yeah.
Now, in the meantime, the spike is out of reach and too far to overcook. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger, katol ang gamitin. Dalawang Pilipinas, proudly Philippine-made. Luan is looking heavenward and asking, did I forget to acknowledge you today? And she's messed up her serve twice. 3-6 is the count here.
Good serve. Mandapat's been serving well.
Yes. Back row action. Mandapat sends it to the other end. It becomes a set for Pablo. Here comes Soltones. Cranks it up. Perez. May laman. May laman. Ang pandesal na yun.
Pablo, the lone consistent scorer for... No, and with Singh, these two are trying to lift NU.
Ganda umangulo ni Pablo. Alam mo yun yung strength din ni Rachel Andakis. Andakis has not been given enough credit for the way she angled her shot.
Yeah.
And Pablo is in that same mode. Alam mo, kasi, alam mo naman patakbo, alam mo ang atake. Yung paglipad, pag-connect niya, yun ang diferensya doon.
Yes.
Ito.
Saka yung position talaga ng body niya, may pagka nakahigaan
Yes.
na siya no?
Like Valdez. Diba si Eliza, pag pumalo sila, alam mo dadating yung bagyo. Nagkatulakan yung dalawang star. Process. Sige, magkagulo kayo. Pero labas.
Tumama sa net and missed the line. Just a 1.8 for PLDT. So far, NU doing a good job keeping it close.
Mikasa ang ating official ball dito sa Shakey's B-League. Ganda ng fake ng set. Kaso nahuli. Nahuli yung palo. Ganda ng fake ng set. Watch this, ha? I hope we can get it on the set. Boom. Kala mo, ija-jump set. Biglang lumanding. Kasaka si net.
A good read by Perez.
Yes, indeed. From one setter to another. I know what you have in mind. Remember you used to play for us? In the meantime, the Venadera goes to a different angle, which I thought was delightful because medyo bugbog na yung kaliwa.
Maiba naman.
Maiba naman. And this is, I don't think PLDT Home Field Perez will give enough credit for the fact that they do have very, very intelligent players. Once you get them off guard, pag nahuli mo, medyo, ang sakit nitong team na ito. Pag off-sync sila sabay-sabay.
That's true.
Pagka when they're on the ball, like today, na sikopado lahat, pero pag off, alam yung off, like in that 3-set loss they had.
Lahat ng tao actually nagulat sa straight set loss.
Antonio tried to reach for it. Denied me a spike.
You keep on running for them. Sabi ni Coach Ariel sa kanila, importante daw ang score sa larong ito, pero mas importante yung attitude na pinapakita nila dito. Kailangan may maturity at yung positive outlook nila sa larong ito. Now, 3 things to make this third set better for them. They have to be more loud on the court because communication is an important ingredient to any team play. Secondly, be more alert, especially dun sa drop ball na binibigay sa kanila ng PLDT home pad. And lastly, lessen those simple mistakes. Seb?
Oh boy, in that last play, Rena, there was hardly any mistake as Judges and Jago got to assign the altitude and nailed it. And that was perhaps, arguably, the cleanest connection she's made with the ball all afternoon. And Soltones wanted to tell Roger Guerrero, Coach, don't worry, got it.
Yep. The way she changed her, twisted her body in midair, eluded Judges Santiago.
Inilihis niya pati katawan at kamay.
Pati service nilihis.
Nilihis. Sobrang lakas. We've seen her grow into this game. I'll tell you out loud, she looked like a baby coming into this game. Sabi ko, high school dito. Ano ba ginagawa nito rin? we discover that she
Field
had
trip.
power. Boy, hindi ba pa ang mineral resource? Genuine source of power. And that is outside. Tied at 10. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion, Tiger, Patola gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Yan ay huwag niyong kakalimutan. Ito na naman. Uulan na naman.
Oo, iwas sakit.
Perez, dinaas, Singh, ginawang set, binigay kay Mandapat, score.
Yep, so NU getting through the block or the defense of PLDT home Telpad. But the challenge to NU right now is the unforced errors. Kasi as they parang score, like they take 1 point lead, error sila, service error, hitting error, diba? They can minimize that.
In the meantime, Jaja Santiago riding the bus without any ticket, waiting for the official whistle to let her ride on the bus with a ticket. She's okay. Serve in play. Dead play. Going nowhere. Nice double block. Latiga had a hand on it. Soriana tries to hammer it. No dice. The other way. Sing to the back row. Lakas.
Oh, good read by Pantone. She followed it, but she knew it was going out. Pero talagang presence of mind ni Roses, no? That was really already a miscue. Badminton pa niya pabalik.
Oh. Just the good decision making. Yung court awareness. Soriano. Hello.
One more time.
Neatly done. Mandapat, huh? Risha Jane Mandapat now beginning to hum here. 12-11.
That's right. She's making her presence felt now for NU. And you know what? Yung angle na yan, it's just basic eh. Sinarado ng blocker yung down the line, you go cross court. The problema, the defense of PLDT hindi nag-adjust yet.
Latigay and Jurel Singh can't reach for it. We're tied at 12. Take a second look.
Oh, combination play. Latigay just saw one blocker there and gets the point.
And Latigay will return to the service area. General Dadang. They call it a check ball and no reason for PLDT home Telpad to celebrate.
Boy, lucky call for NU because even Dadang knew that she hit it wide. Oh, wala.
Nakakadalawa na kayo Coach Roger.
Kasi even NU they're going back to defense na yung position nila.
And Roger Gurriel makes no move. Usually he'll react. And the Benedetta says, don't worry, coach. I got the point back.
I gotcha. Poetic justice.
Yeah, 13-all. Yes, indeed. You see, Roger will be on his feet saying something. Well, if you can appear in a Shakey's commercial, life must be okay. Because if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Yep.
And Pantone ends up spinning on the floor. Alam mo si Pantone, si Giganta Pantone is probably in the same mold as the really poised. Meron yung libero na happy childhood eh. Pero same poise.
Yes.
Melissa Gohing, Denden Lazaro, unruffled until that moment they have to do a somersault. In the meantime, nice double jam.
Yeah, don't look now. 2-point lead for NU. Pero bagay nga magkatabi si Pantone at si Latigay.
Mga poised.
Project Runway, sabi mo.
Project Runway. Dinas ni Roses. Benting, papalo. Pablo, Cargado. Dumaan sa runway. Butas yung runway.
Butas yung runway.
16. That was the coaching sermon. That's page number 62 in the Roger Gurriel book. I gotta use this now before this gets out of hand.
So that's a great timeout. And then may term na nga, menos. Hindi naman ali-ali.
Okay. Samantala, Latigay decides to nail it from the back row area.
Pero talaga si Coach Roger had a point there. Kasi yung defense, they're not going for it.
Wala,
Parang,
wala.
ay, yeah, parang, ay.
Lelembot-lembot eh. Ito naman, lelembot-lembot na serve by Devenadera. That's not going anywhere. I'm sure what Roger wants. Let's win by 3 sets. Let's not.
Yeah.
Let's not play patty cake at this point.
So, sabi niya, walang mawawala sa kanila. Diba? Gusto rin nila manalo.
Lapigay. De Leon. Soriano hesitating. Swing. Coiled. Perez gives it to Jaja. Becomes a spike for Roses. Yes, might as well. Porcentuhan na.
Oo, grabe. Pag yung percentage ni Roses in today's game, it's so high, I'm sure.
Probably hitting around 8 out of 8, something like that. And Abraham is in. Probably the sister of our face of the game. Abraham. Yep, that was the name of the game. No, of the girl earlier. I would suspect. Oh, nicely done. Perez knew what to do.
Yeah, again, defense of PLDT caught flat-footed there. Easy does it for Ivy Perez.
Watch this. Hindi ko sa set. Kaliwa pa ginamit. Because naturally kaliwa ito siya.
Yan.
Solid. Sue Roses. Lapigay. Tinago. Yes, neatly done.
Great angle there for Luan. Kita mo talaga yung PLDT, if they can, talagang nilalayo nila kay Jaja yung palo.
Lalayo na smart thing to do. And Roger Goroyan still sees something amiss. Stands up on his seat. He thinks it's Italy here. Regalo. Lapigay may have had a finger on that one, but here we go. De Leon goes the other way. And the runner. The familiar move. Namatay sa tubig.
Sayang. Great dig, but too near the net.
And you knew at a certain point Roses and De Leon were going to do it.
Yeah.
Parang sa concert, ito na yung big greatest hits.
Oo nga. Or encore.
Encore na. I hate it when they do that in the concert. You know naman, yung false ending. Alam mo naman meron may encore eh. Butas, dinaas ng halos siniko lang ni Roses yun. Lapigay, kargado, pero bagsak sa Pantone.
Wow, Mandapat. Great block there. So the support crew of Judges Santiago working hard for NU.
Mandapat should be part of that future of NU.
Oo.
1917, just a different NU team. Bad pickup by Pantone. She knew it. Roses digs it over. Cleanly done. Roses, percentage, ang porsyento talaga.
So parang when in doubt, just shout, Sue Roses.
She's a taximeter gone bananas.
But that's sayang for NU because we saw it coming. You know she was gonna drop it there. Pero tagal gumalaw or mag-react ng NU.
It's outside.
Yep, that did not clear. Good call.
And we're knotted together at 19. Nagising ata ang barangay sa sermon ni Barangay Chairman Roger Guerrero.
Oh, syempre, even the players of PLDT Hometown Pad, they don't want to extend this anymore.
Sure. You're saying? That was tightly shut. Lapigay and the Venadera just jamming that and making it 2019. Time to listen to NU.
Sino maba mo? Di ba Ladera? Huwag ka puro tumba ng gano'n. Pero pag binigay ka, ano mo lang, gusto mo lang. Pag binigay sa'yo, paluin mo dun sa dulo. Okay? Isang patay lang sa'yo, isang maganda rin. Nare-receive na sa'yo.
Here's that shutdown of that attempt that was properly dressed but had nowhere to go. That's Larissa Abriam who got stymied there.
By the veteran.
Sarado. Tinago yung susi. Ano pa ipapasok? Ewan. Perez to Dada.
That's what Coach Dong De La Cruz was saying in that huddle. Wag lang tumba-tumba. You gotta go to your quick. And Dadang just gets that point for NU.
Desiree Dadang knocking that down, and Singh reports back in. Jarrell coming in for Larissa Abriam.
Good serve.
Ay! Ano nangyari ba na rin?
Miscue. Miscue lang. Of course, the players would call out plays, but it's the setters. It's his or her responsibility to finalize it, diba? Ito yung play. Siguro nag-miscue sila ni Sue Roses.
Yes. That's why Sue checked on the signal now being given by De Leon. Labas.
Oo.
22-20.
2 straight errors for PLDT. Home tell pass. Wala na, hindi na greatest hits yan.
Then I really checked on how Sue Roses looked at the signal being given by De Leon. I just want to make sure. And that didn't work. And oh, what a waste. What a waste.
Oh, these errors will haunt NU really after.
These are the kinds that haunt you in the middle of the night.
Yung papaggalaw ka.
Mapatingin ka sa dingding, nakikita mo pa yung sarili mong spike mo. Nagsaserve o na mismo yung ding. In play. Perez. Desiree Dadang. Benting. Tinaas ni General. Mandapat. Lumuhod si Pantone. Sa kabila tayo. Process. Din ng konti. Another long rally. Walis!
Oh,
Tumama sa net si Pablo.
too near the net. Sayang yung mga errors ng NU.
Well, 2 in a row actually. Lamang na sila ng dalawa no? That is a thing of the past cookie. That's the hard part of playing a veteran team. It's in the net. Laptiga with their third service error. When you take your eye off the ball, sometimes the miscue happens there.
No, I feel that error came from her trying to overthink her serve. Lalakas
That's also
ko,
possible.
do I do it sure serve?
Yeah.
We knew that was coming, Sam. Parang ito sa...
Part of the script.
Yeah, we read it towards the final chapter.
And I understand what De Leon is doing. I don't want to waste any more time. I'm going to my Porcierto player. Going to Roses, almost exclusively here. Myla Pablo has other plans. Wants to spend a little more time here at the San Juan Arena, actually.
Yep, and they now have set point, which is actually goal lang ng NU. Let's try to get a set first.
And Roger Guerrero on the other side. Binura yung mukha niya. Seto.
Oh, but good dig.
Montone.
Oh, too near the net.
Alanganin. Benting gumawa ng eskinita. Pablo.
Oh, another error for NU.
Hindi gumapang yung bola, no?
Oo.
Na-short si Myla, no?
Tumalon siya too soon.
Too soon, ha?
Oo.
Oo nga. 24.
Sure serve.
Perez. May diin yun. Diniinan. Set point.
Oh, Jaja has been scoring from the different positions, no? And good news for NU, she's still in front. Ang Roses naman, nasa likod for PLDT home telpan.
Pag gusto tumusok ng Ali, tutusok eh. De Leon. Alanganin ito.
Like a free ball.
Jaja. Bye-bye. We need one more set. This could go anywhere at this point. NU coming to life here in the third, 26-24.
That's exactly what Coach Rogers said. Gusto rin nila manalo. They have nothing to lose.
As we will see in the shake and play. Final point of that third set back shortly. Going to her main guns. Judges in shotgun, even Myla Pablo, although she was rejected on a number of occasions, might as well pounce. A bit of fatigue setting in probably, and a little overconfidence might be on the side. Hard to tell really, but the set is gone. You just move forward from there.
Yeah, and I'd like to mention again what Coach Roger said. You know, kung ganun lang laro nyo, you're just playing with it after winning 2 sets. You're playing against a team who also wants to win. Now walang, you know, nothing to lose. So, syempre, these are kids. They just want to play.
They want to prove to their artists, hello, we can compete against you. It ricochets off Judge. It becomes a double spike. Oh, Mandapat knew it. Tumaas siya.
Yeah. Again, if you saw that play, a coach will always tell the players,
stay down.
Stay down.
Keep your head, your hands in front of you. But you know, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue line, tayo ito po nagamitin, probably Philippine mayor.
You know, I feel Ruby De Leon has been practicing that serve. Yung short na tatama lang sa net. Kasi she tried it a couple of times eh.
May konting gulang na rin as far as her serve is concerned, ano ha?
Yep.
2-1 is the count. Ivy Perez, the setter of National University, will be serving. And that is long. And we are now at 3-1. Lady Bulldogs winning that third set after the first 2 sets were picked up by PLDT Home Telpad with a count at 25-16, 25-23. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's as Charo Soriano uncorks her serve. Set ni Perez. Ang ganda ni complain na to. Almost unstoppable. Perez decides to do that kick or the jump set and getting maximum height from Jaja. That's hard to stop.
Kasi si Jaja, angat mo lang eh. Well, just don't give a low set. Gagawa ng paraan ni Jaja Santiago.
Tagal bago bumaba eh.
Oo.
That's hang time. Long.
Too much juice there. But you know, PLDT on the other hand, nawala ang defense nila in the third set.
Yes,
blocking, wala. Diba?
Just crumbled.
Yep.
They were concerned with ending the set with their offense, and the defense crumbled. De Leon says, hello. You can score this way also.
You can hear yung shrieks ng NU players there.
Nanay ko!
Para naging sprinting competition to the dulo.
Diyos ko po! Kabila tayo, sing! And sing a song. She got it.
Make it simple.
To last your whole life through. Axel is the official arbiter of the Shakey's B-League. 5-3.
Serve.
Mali. Alanganin. And Ruby knew it.
I love the shriek.
Si Man dapat malakas sisigaw,
Oo nga eh. Oh, poor touches.
Si Man dapat may sigaw, ha? Hindi sigaw. Tili. Okay, babante na ang PLDT Home Telpad. Medyo natauhan sila ng third set, ano ha?
Oo. And they won't hear the end of it if they lose this set pa from Coach Roger.
Binutasan sila ni Myla Pablo. Nakakita ng butas sa likod. 6-4. 4-6 ang magsas-4 ang magsaserve. We've got Mandapat all set to serve for all of us.
The shrieker.
The shrieker. Lisa Jane. Mandapat. Soltones. Hinabol ni Mandapat. Hinulugan ni Perez. Tinaas. Lift. Yes.
No miscue there for PLDT Home Telpad.
Second ball mistake, ano? Mandapat will be serving again. Second tour of duty here on this stretch. Sa kabila siya nagpunta kay Roses. And Roses, I think she has plans. Kanina pa pumupupok at pumapalakpak si Sue.
Oo. Siya yung well, she's the team captain and she's the one really trying to egg her team on.
She's probably the senior citizen of the group.
Yes, I think so.
Tinulak ni Perez. Kinaki Charo. Dadang. Galing sa likod. Tinangal ko. Well done.
Well, you know, Ivy Perez has got to do that. Really look for Jaja at the back, no? Open.
And that's okay. As long as you don't take off in front of the line over there. Pero umikot na rin. Ano, si Jaja nasa harap na.
Oo.
Regalo. Kainis. Diba kung enyo ka, kainis.
Have to minimize those service errors. Sabi ni Suan sa kanila, kung sinabi nilang babawi sila, kailangan talagang bumawi sila at magtrabaho sila dito sa ating fourth set. Ang advantage nila dito, yung experience nila. Kaya kailangan daw paganahin nila dito yung veteran smart nila at wag daw silang matakot dito sa malalakas na palo at service ng NU team. Wala daw yung malalakas na yon compared dun sa experience nila. All in all, they have to play to win, to play as a team rather, and to play to their advantage. Seb?
Thank you, Rina. Tampong tatay si Roger. No?
Oo.
Hindi nagsalita. Bigay mo yung maagi. Samantala, man dapat is sprawled on the floor off Charo Soriano's spike.
Yep, that's a solid hit for Charo Soriano.
And it makes it 9-7.
Well, so far, PLDT turbo boosters, they've been very successful sa mga running hits nila.
Yes. In the meantime, Santiago and Perez namumursyento na rin, ano?
Yes. Naka-adjust na si Jaja Santiago.
I think this is the point you made earlier. In the first and second set, hindi ganun kadami ang bola ni Santiago nang gagaling kay Perez. Parang hindi mabigyan sa takbo ng laro. Perez with the serve. Looked like, tama, good call. Naging double. Nagalangan si Ruby kasi ang lapit sa net eh.
Yeah. A very fine line there, thin line.
Parang nung lumipad na siya, siya, ano to? Ano ba mangyayari rito? Wala na eh, sana wag tawagin.
Yung thought bubble niya, no? May exclamation point, may asterisk.
Benting, Ginalis.
Yeah, Angie Benting now making her presence felt for PLDT home Telpad.
10-9. Mikasa is our official ball here in the Shakey's B League. Charo Soriano, second round of the serve. And dapat ang court, then it stays down.
And dapat still playing well for Coach Dong De La Cruz.
And she is probably the third scorer that they will rely on as the year progresses.
Yes. You can see the mga go-to people na ng NU.
With Singh as the fourth on the rotation. And Roses trying to take charge here.
Boy, really, I want to see her percentages.
Tasya.
Sobrang yung success rate niya.
Ay, yun, sleepy, dig.
Sleepy, sloppy, ugly.
Everything, all of the above. No choice in the multiple choice. And Myla knew it. Buti na lang. Sabi ni Myla, akala ko ako na naman. Ba't ako pinag-iinitan nito? Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lion, tiger, katulad gamitin proudly Philippine Maine. Singh. Sultanas has been very quiet. Singh got it into the air for the first touch. Pablo will give it as a free ball. De Leon. Hello. Wala na, 4 touch na yun.
Well, that has been, their miscues has been piling up here. Talk about PLDT.
Oh, parang don't expect that from a team as experienced as they are, no?
Yeah, very uncharacteristic.
That's true. That's what they
Mga
said. Isa, dalawa, yeah. Roses. And Singh ended up spinning on the floor. 13-12 as PLDT home Telpad grabs the upper hand. They lead in the number of sets 2-1. They took the first two. Then NU woke up just at the right moment to take that third set. Regalo.
Oh, good dig.
Walang kabuhay-buhay na palo, no? Parang walang alam ni Myla.
No, she knew she was far. Dapat ano lang, parang sure ball.
Oh, sure ball.
Upspin mo lang.
Oh. But wisely, I thought they'd go back to her. In the meantime, and dapat missing the target as well.
Oh.
It's now a 3-point lead for PLDT home Telpad.
And you know, the last 2 points were just 3 points for PLDT.
Oh, clearly so. The lift. Pablo, hijack. Well, Thomas hijacked as well.
Good rally we're having.
Probably the longest. Right pa! Back row. Back row. Now, hindi maibig. Coach De Leon was, De La Cruz rather, was on the ball on that last play.
Yep.
He was waiting for it to happen. De Venadera in the air. Pablo. Yes.
Finds the line. So, and you continues to pounce here, no, in the fourth set.
I think our score is correct. The score here at the Coliseum is inverted. Yep. They're trying to correct it now. It's 15-14. You got it all synced up together now. Pablo.
Oh, good cover. One more time.
Ayun, may diin yun.
Oh.
May diin yun. Open conference. Pablo. Pinas. Pinas. Mali ahon.
Oo.
Ay. Pag in full gear, in full battle regalia talaga, Santiago's hard to stop.
In all angles, actually. But pati sa open, hindi nila nabablock. Even the back row.
Ooh, neatly done by Sultones. Hindi nakaharap ng block. Singh unable to lift it up. What's this?
Si Singh got the tail end of that point.
Wrong hand position also. 17-15. Tusok yun, nicely done by Perez.
That was a Ruby De Leon.
Yes, indeed. I'm getting a kick out of Ariel De La Cruz. It's like the voice operators team.
Well, maybe that's going to work for them.
Let's see. Benting, General. Aha! Tabla sa 17.
And you really, gritty team, they're not going to go away.
Boy, this is not going to be a happy end game, no matter if PLDT home Telpad wins. I'm telling you now.
I wouldn't want to be in the locker room.
And Ruby De Leon is hoping, by doing that something will make Roger Correa smile, even as he delivers his Sermon on the Mount later on. 18-17.
Yeah, but with your NU, you gotta be prepared for yung mga ganyan overs na ni Ruby eh.
Yes.
Ilan ba?
Oh! Yung sinasabi mo, parang pinaghahandaan na niya yung ganong serve, no?
Oo.
Sumalok pa baba. Dosan lamang ng PLDT home Telpad. Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Alanganin. The other way with Roses, yes.
Boy, she's really just going to town.
All dressed in red.
Yeah. Fiesta.
3-point lead. Let's see how Coach De La Cruz and NU make the adjustment.
Ano mag-focus na sa ginagawa mo dyan sa loob? Wala ka naman ibang gagawin na kasi kumuha ng mundo. Tingnan mo, anong score ng all 17? Pag pumesto ka lang doon sa pwesto mo at nakuha mo, wala lamang tayo ngayon sila nagkabaliktaran. Okay?
Ayan.
Huwag kang magbigay ng ano. Doble na doble. Doble harap. Doble harap.
And look at this. Si Sue Roses actually, third set pa lang gusto na umuwi nito actually, di ba?
Grabe, Persyento talaga. Ang kulit natin, pero ang kulit rin ni Sue.
Diba? You understand, when we say porsyento po, yung setter is going to the most reliable scorer. Pumuporsyento, best possible percentage, like the way Perez is doing it on the other end.
Yeah, it's actually it's a Roses Santiago showdown today's game.
Yeah. Especially here when it's crucial and you're trying to keep its head above the water, trying to survive here. Perez with the serve. Soriano's runner. Nice to mix up the punches.
Actually, Charo Soriano, she doesn't get a lot of sets, but pumupunto siya.
And sort of mix up the offense, so to speak. 21-18. Soriano serve. In play, General. Oh, that's so high.
Well, you know, if NU has no answer for Roses, PLDT Valpan has no answer for Santiago.
Like a storm that you know is coming. Bukas po, darating po si Typhoon Jaja. into the PLDT home area of responsibility. Still can't do much as Roses fires. Dinas. Sing. Nice pickup. Dinago si Benting. 2. Regalo. Pinapik lang.
Oh, it's still alive.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, boy. What was that?
You know, that's a turning point of this game.
Well, I think, you know, NU kasi kala nila patay na yung bola sa PLDT home Valpan.
De La Cruz could only yell, hoy!
Oo nga, and the girls could only shriek.
Oh, and the repercussions of that last miscue are still being felt, the aftershocks actually.
Yes.
Let's try to listen in to Coach Dong.
Sayang, binibigay nila sa atin ang bola. Hindi naman natin take advantage. Alam mo ba, pag saka tayo ganun, di para kayong mga elementary tatlo dyan na...
Boy, the academic history of the players was recalled there. Did you see that? Fifth year.
Third year.
Fifth year. First year. Tapos it came down to saying that nahulugan tayo para tayong elementary. That's how painful it was.
Oo, taka sabi nga niya binibigyan na nga tayo ng bola di ba?
Parang binaril natin ang sarili natin dito. Perez trying to keep it in play. Pantone got it to De Leon. Linis. Dinalasa kay De Benadera, and it is now match point.
Yeah, you know, that's really the effect there. You're given an opportunity, and then once it's not even a legit kill di ba? Parang you wasted the opportunity, and yung momentum shifted agad
3 straight points by PLDT home Valpan since that happened. And it died, and it is over.
No, nonetheless, a good showing by NU.
They struggled, they kicked until the very end, and Coach Goreyev and De La Cruz and all the other guys in the coaching staffs of both squads meet at center point. There will be a sermon from Roger, I suppose.
I would still want to be in there.
Yeah, if I were one of the lady boosters, sige na, then uwi na tayo agad. But we'll introduce our Shakey's best player in just a short while.